Panda onesie today, and I'll be doing bi-weekly Apache Spark Code review. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep the panda warmed up. And then fighting with some Kubeflow stuff, which I'll get back to this afternoon around 2 p.m. Here we go. Spark pull requests. Okay. So what we're gonna do is take a look, see who's updated their pull requests over the weekend. Because the last review was on Friday. If anyone's done that, we'll take a look and respond to those. And by people who, I mean, people who have updated pull requests that we left comments on last time. Looks like the string indexer one, yep. This one probably, yeah, has been updated, but I think it's probably just going to be discussion. And this one 3 days ago, so I think that's me. It says green. That's weird. Did I say it looks good to me? Or maybe it was looks good to me pending. I thought it was looks good to me pending Jenkins. But maybe it's done, and that would be pretty exciting. Okay, that being said, just need to remember to pay GitHub. Okay. Let's go down to the bottom. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sean asked for some changes on our side for coursing the columns. I think this is the test. I don't claim to. Yeah. I mean, this is the argument that, like, yeah, we can change things in 3, but why break things if we don't have to? Oh, should has input calls. That's a really interesting idea. That's a really interesting idea. So let's take a look at this. Let's go and grep. Oh wait, no. mlib src main. Okay. Yeah. So quantile discretizer. So that's weird. So quantile discretizer, feature hasher. Yeah, so mostly what I want to see is, do we actually have this logic duplicated elsewhere already? In which case, it's an easier Oh, I should double check and make sure that things started reasonably. Let's turn on the chat box. Sorry, I haven't had as much sleep as I really probably should have. I thought this was starting a little later in the day. I'm just going to check on Twitch, just because the chat box has been not working super great as of late. So we'll just bring up Twitch and YouTube, just in case folks want to chat. Looks like that's working. Okay, yay. Cool. So I got the chat box. Hopefully it's working, and if it's not, yeah. One hot encoder, bucketizer. Yeah, that's a really good point. There's the same logic in, for example, the bucketizer. Would this make sense to do as part of this PR or a separate? PR. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that's good. Not really a lot left, I don't think. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh right, the unpersist thing. That's the thing that I did want to take a look at from last time. So let's see how unpersist is being handled now, except it's hiding the main. This diff view, which hides the one file that's got most of the changes in it, is really. Yeah. Okay. So we check the storage level. Yeah. Okay. Seems reasonable. So yeah, that looks good to me. Where's this one left off at? Okay, yeah. This one is just discussions. There's not really, and they're not in discussions that I'm super comfortable jumping into the middle of. Right. I know that people have feelings about Ubuntu versus Alpine for the base, and so I think that's more of a thing where I'll let the people who have informed opinions about Alpine versus Ubuntu for the base have their conversations. Okay, check invalid input of weight data. Oh yeah, this was maybe getting really close. Looks good to me. Pending Jenkins. Oh my god, yes. It passed Jenkins. Ooh. Yay. Okay, let's double check, go through this, just, make sure. I'm gonna just do some little organizing here so that I can keep track of the PRs we reviewed. Oh yeah. Okay. Cool. It looks good. Small PR. It does what it's supposed to do. Passes Jenkins. Let's go check this Jira. Yeah. O'Reilly Auto Parts is not the O'Reilly that we're looking for today. Which is fine. Not that one. We're going to go down here and use this one. And then we're going to go ahead and use this one. Okay, come on. Okay. Looks good. Let's go ahead and merge this PR. Oh shit. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, that's my work phone, so I had to just deal with that really quickly. So now we're going to pull from Apache GitHub, latest master. It's actually been a while since I got to merge your PR. Yeah, I'm not doing this with the auto updating of Jira tickets has always been a little sketchy for me. So I'll just do this manually. So the pull request we want to do is this one. Cool. Add the space. That looks good to me. Yeah. Proceed with merge. Looks like the right author. Push it to Apache. Check my password manager. I really need to do these slightly later in the day. I think it's this one. Oh, yeah. Yay! Great success. I should probably not say great success. Yep, there we go. Great success! Yay! Install it. Pushed that thing. So cool. Now we can go in, update this Jira. Oh. Cool. Let's make sure it's the right person. Yeah, it looks like the right person. Go go ahead, resolve issue. Fixed version is 3. Thanks for working on this. I've merged it. I've merged fix into master. Thanks for working on this. Merge to master. Yay! I'm happy. It's fun when I just get to merge code to master, because all of the other times, you know, you're going through and you're asking people to make changes, but the times you get to be like, oh yeah, cool, we're good, brings a little extra happiness to me. Okay, got like maybe 12 minutes or so. Part of my reason for splitting this up into Monday, Friday is to do 2 shorter ones so that it's easier for me to fit into my day. Oh, this was updated pretty recently. It's got a lot of reviewers already. Oh, no one's on this one. It's not updated recently, but... Oh, okay. Interesting. The stock test is getting a little big. But that's okay. We do specify a white column here, yeah. Pred and labels with opt wait. Oh, was this a name? Oh, I hate API changes. I mean, I don't. It's more just... API changes are frustrating. Okay. So this is what it says is if we've got 2 columns, it's just a tuple of prediction and label. Otherwise, it's prediction, label, and wait. Yeah. Although, why does it have to... What's the input here? Oh, why does it take an RTD? Oh, this is the old one. Oh yeah, this is mllib. Yeah. I don't know. I might skip the mllib one. Multi-class classification evaluator. Okay, let's go dig up the Scala version of this. All right. Oh, this really... We have have an opportunity to improve our documentation here, I think would be the polite way of saying it. So if we look at the old one, I guess actually we didn't do anything. Ooh. Oh, weird. Huh. Okay. So let's go look up the Jira that this is associated with. Once again. Okay. Let's take a look at the underlying, the original one. The evaluator should support wait columns. That makes sense. Here's the pull request that added the wait columns. It'll give us oh, wow. Okay. So these were the reviewers from last time. So the first thing we can do is let's loop in the reviewers from the original Scala version. Actually, version author. And who else do we want to loop in? This looks like probably the most active reviewer. And Shano. And one thing is if mlib is in maintenance. One thing is if mlib is in maintenance mode, do we want to just make the change in ML, or is plumbing through Scala functionality? I pressed magic buttons. Functionality close enough to a bug fix. We're gonna do it. So essentially, yeah, that's This is a little big. Like this doc test is a little annoying, but it's not that annoying. We call none. Example. has no default arguments. So, yeah, and there's the this wait column is, yeah, has wait calls, so the getters and setters are implemented by the trait underneath. So that's all fine, I think. This code looks pretty reasonable. The main thing that I'm worried about is the stock test might be a little long, but that's fine. The real one is just like, I don't know if we want to make changes to SparkML anymore, and sorry, SparkML lib, because it's in maintenance mode. We were aiming for API parity, so like one can argue that the lack of API parity is a bug, but I think we'd just rather not deal with that. But you know, I looped in some other people who might have opinions about that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and drag that one over there and close these ones. Let's keep looking for something without a lot of people touching it. Oh, interesting. This is 2 months old. Word2Vec, skip gram, and negative sampling. Ooh. Oh. Oh, shit. We really should have better model export. Okay. Let's look and see if there's anything exciting in Python. Although, actually, this is 9:30 a.m., which is probably where I want to cut it off and go make some coffee. So let's see if any of these... okay. Well, it's from 2017. Code doesn't look malicious, and it's already been okay to test once before. That's my 9:30 alarm. So we're not going to actually have the chance to review it, but at the very least what we can do is we can say Jenkins, okay to test, and then we can ask the PR author if this is a thing that you're still working on. Cool. There we go. And over here. Oh. This is not going to be a thing that we review in 5 minutes. Although that being said, the fact that it's not triggering tests, we can fix that. Jenkins, test this, please. I think they're the PR author from the last one. Okay, with that, it's 9:30 in the morning. I still have not had my first cup of coffee, so I'm going to go get some coffee. I'm going to do this really quick live stream intro outro deck, just in case you don't know who I am or what we're doing here. So, Holden and Boo's super fun live streams. What exactly are we going to break today? Adventures in open source. Yay! Today was a Spark PR review. No one asked any questions, that's fine, but if you want to, please, in the future, feel free to. If you like this, you know, subscribe, click the bell, do whatever it is to find more. I try and do the code reviews for Spark about twice a week, and I do random sort of live coding intermixed throughout there when I have chunks of time I can dedicate to working on open source. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I try and do occasional other things too. My name is Holden. My pronouns are she or her. I'm a developer advocate at Google, and I'm on the Spark PMC, but I contribute to and work on other projects like Airflow and stuff like that. Been at a bunch of other companies. You can follow me on Twitter if you have feedback on this. I have this link down at the bottom. More than welcome to give me feedback here. Yeah. In addition to who I am professionally, I'm trans, queer, Canadian, and part of the leather community. It's not directly related to Spark, but I think it's important that we try and build diverse open source communities, especially for things that are going to impact people's lives, like machine learning and data processing tools. Okay, and with that, I win going to make coffee and seeing if I've run out of milk for cereal. So thank you all for joining me. I hope you have a lovely rest of your week. I will reboot and maybe my computer will be less janky with the video card. Thanks. Have a lovely day.